Sa panguna ng City Character Council at pinagsamang inisyatibo ng Baguio LGU at public and private organizations, isang workshop na tumatalakay sa youth empowerment ang isinagawa upang palakasin ng civic responsibility ng mga kabataan.
Is to empower you, no, in keeping with the Character Council core values, to kind of give them a more handle on what being responsible citizenry is all about.
Layon ng workshop ituro ang mga core values na bitbit ng Baguio bilang character city. Kabilang dito ang 5 human values at 6 pillars para sa character enhancement ng bawat mamamayan ng Baguio.
This is precisely what we need today. How to empower our young people, especially this coming election, when your vote counts, when the choices that you have to make really count, because it will actually determine our future. Governance is about making sure that different functionalities of government, frameworks, processes, organization structures, people work together and they're functioning properly.
Ang very eye-opening na tong seminar na to for those na hindi na unaware politically kung ano nga ba dapat ang titignan nila sa isang kakandidato this election.
Ang naturang workshop ay dinaluhan din ni Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto. Sa pamamagitan ng video conferencing platform, nagbigay siya ng paraan sa mga kabataan paano masusugpo ang korupsyon.
We need to improve. We need to eradicate those wrong practices, those good practices, traditional practices. Not only in government, not only in politics, but across society and in our entire nation.
Samantala, nilinaw ng organizers na ang workshop ay apolitical at nais lamang ipakita ang importansya ng mga kabataan at kanilang papel sa komunidad, lalo na sa panahon ng eleksyon.
We would like to highlight integrity, transparency, and most especially so is participation, where they can engage their government and their officials to be part of how to come up, with a better city through their participation.
Nico Gatchalian para sa PIO Baguio Balita.